Hey, what's up? It's Phil from Easy Unreal, and let me just remind you that you should definitely pick up this month's free assets. We have a science fiction valley town with exteriors and interiors. We have a low poly Viking top-down interiors for your game if you want to make some top-down game. We have a great lookout tower with all the assets included inside and outside, with pine forests and so on, and two of them are my favorite. This is the Adventurers Inventory kit, and it's made with 100% blueprints. And my favorite is the Ultimate Weapon Customization System and Stylized Futuristic Set, that you can create 1300 unique weapons, customize 7 parts, 6 skins, and discover a wealth of exciting other features. For me, this is a clear winner in this month's free pack, so you definitely need to check it out and put it in your library. Don't forget it. And this is it for me. Have a nice day and see you in some other video. Bye bye.